In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art image by using Blender and Krita. This was the original render image created by Blender. This is how the scene looks like. I have 230 or so arrayed cubes, 5 random point lights, and a background sphere. I have used the cycles renderer for this project. The base mesh is a simple cube with dark material for the top, and the rest with an emission shader. I have used a glare composite node to add a simple star effect. Let's array the cube twice. This is an instruction on how to set up the 230 or so cubes, but in reality, we need to apply the material first. We need to apply the modifiers. In edit mode, type P to separate by loose parts. In object mode, move the origin to the geometry. Then I would randomly transform the meshes to randomly move them on the Z-axis. This was how the meshes were made. For the material, I used a dark material for the top face, and an emission shader for the rest. It should look something like this. This was the render result. Open the rendered image in Krita, and apply a filter like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.